We had a wonderful stay in Tribune Bay, but the winds were shifting from a northwest to a southeast, so it was time to move. Today we'll be traveling 40 nautical miles from Tribune Bay to Cortes Bay on Cortes Island. We are leaving Tribune Bay, and Navionics has us charted between St. John Point and Flora Island as we pass by Helliwell Provincial Park. 22,
I see it.
19.
I see it.
20, 19. 15, oh. 16, 17.
Sound effects by Missy.
Oh my gosh, this is when you really have to trust your navigation gear. Oh my gosh. That was our autopilot taking us through 17 feet of water, 17.5. We're on the meridian, or medium, whatever it is, 18. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna say shout out to Pacific Yacht Systems because they integrated our autopilot with our chart plotters, and well, it works. But oh my gosh, you really have to trust your gear. It was a little nerve-wracking. Yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking. Here we are on our way to Cortes Island. We are heading up the coast past Hornby and Denman Island with some colorful homes on our port side, and then a very not so colorful Texada Island lime quarry on our starboard side. The massive gravel pit across from Comox on the northern coast of Texada Island is the Lafarge Limestone Quarry, one of the largest open pit limestone mines in the world. As we reached Comox, we saw this gray vessel, the Battle Point, the United States Navy Cape Flattery class torpedo trials craft that regularly operates in the waters off the east side of Vancouver Island, specifically Whiskey Gulf. It is 186 feet long and is designed to track, monitor, and retrieve practice torpedoes after they are fired so they can be analyzed and reused. I am always in awe of these humpback whales and usually forget to get out the big camera for some great shots. Approaching Savory Island, Grant Reef is marked by the QM Quebec Mike lateral buoy, and Mystery Reef is marked by the Q Quebec 25 port hand lateral buoy, green flashing with a 4-second bell. That is the bell at Mystery Reef. This is Grant Reef, but it's just so odd to see rocks in the middle of the ocean. Here we are, we're coming up on Savory Island.
That is the south side of Savory Island.
Making our way past Lund and into Cortes Bay. Oh, it's a pretty low tide. There's a lot of boats at Savory. And you're right, the dock is high and dry. Lots of people out fishing today, I guess because the season opened yesterday. I'm just going to go past this little islet up here and then into Cortes Bay. This is the calm before the storm, and I am quite happy to be tied to the dock at the Royal Vancouver Outstation in Cortes Bay.